After 2 weeks, I finally have a post office box. Unbelievable through Australia Post. It's been very slow. I've had a few hiccups getting this. However, we're here, we're ready to rock and roll. So I will leave the details down below in the description here in this video and also in the About Me. There you will find my post office box, and this is where you will send in absolutely everything and anything into Hot Car Track to race on Mount Western Raceway behind me. I'm really looking forward to seeing your cars that you send in and also your custom content. I can't wait for that to come in. We unbox it and we go on Mount Western Raceway and see how it goes. She's a hard track to race on, and I really hope your cars can handle it. I've struggled to pick winners where I thought they would win and they've just blown out. You know, it's a surprise to me every time we race. So anyway, going forward, you have the PO box. We're set to go. We have Armageddon coming in with YouTube hitting in January. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to miss the comments. I love the chatter we have down there. Some of it's negative, but hey, you're going to get that. But overall, I love the comments. I love reading your comments and the vibing that we're having with this channel. You know, we're small, we're growing. It's a damn shame it's a bit late with YouTube, but hey, you know, things might change again. Armageddon comes, it could all be over and we're all out of business. But, you know, I've got a 6-month plan to keep going at this stage. And we'll just see exactly what happens with YouTube. I'm feeling confident that something may happen. I really hope it does. It'd be a damn shame to lose the Diecast community here. You know, there's some really talented people out there that have some great racing. I love watching their channels and commenting where I can, and you know, it's a really great community. You know, I love the build. I love seeing custom builds. Man, you guys are talented. Really, some of the stuff that you build out there, it's like, wow. I can't even change a set of wheels. You know, that's how hopeless I am. I can build a track, but I just don't have the time or patience to sit there and do some of those custom builds. You know, so anyway, we have the PO box, and I look forward to hopefully receiving some parcels from you guys. If not, it doesn't matter. We have a stack of cars to race anyway, and there's no problems there at all. So anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and I'm just about to set up for the semi-finals in the Diecast Race Wars. Very exciting.